She walks across the room. She opens the cabinet door. She retrieves a glass bowl from the cabinet. She transfers the contents of her microwaved Adobo Chicken power meal into a glass bowl.
Her boyfriend narrates her life.
Her boyfriend narrates her life.
She lunges for the spice cabinet.
She lunges for the spice cabinet.
But she can't find the spice.
She can't find the spice she's looking for.
She tears the cabinet apart.
She tears the cabinet apart.
The spice she's looking for is nowhere to be found.
She can't find the spice she's looking for.
Can you please stop?
She grows discouraged.
Oh my God.
Of all the silk and saffron in the whole wide world, all she wants is this one spice, but even this, her lousy bum boyfriend cannot manage to provide.
Do you really still think this is funny?
She begins to wonder what drew her to him in the first place. How many concessions she must have made in the long string of bad decisions that is her life to end up here, now, without the desired spice. She tosses the now useless bowl of adobo chicken that her boyfriend so kindly bought for her onto the counter. She begins to walk across the room towards him. She picks up her bag and puts on her shoes. She slams the door behind her and heads out into the night, leaving behind not only her boyfriend, but more importantly, the steaming, yet still unseasoned bowl of adobo chicken.